morning, students. In your 12th one chapter, perimeter and area, in this chapter we have completed these problem set 48 and 49. Then today we are going to study here this problem set 50. Problem set 50. The length of the side of each square is given below and find its area. Here length of the side of each square is given and you find out its area. This question completed. Then second one, see. If the cost of this 1 square meter of a plot of land is rupees 900, find the cost of a plot of land that is 25 meter long and 20 meter broad. See this in this problem set 50. Second one example, L is given here 25 meter, B also given 20 meter. Then firstly you find out here area of rectangle. Formula L into B. Then 25 into 20. 25 2s are 50. This one 0 means meter square. The cost of this 1 square meter plot of land is rupees 900. The cost of 1 square meter plot of land rupees 900. Then the cost of 500 meter square of land is equal to 500 into 900. 9 5s are 45 and this 40 means 4,50,000. The cost of this plot of land is 4,50,000 rupees. The cost of this plot of this land is here. The cost of this 1 square meter plot of land is 900. Then this cost of this 500 square meter of land is 500 into 900 means answer is here 4,50,000. Then third one. The side of a square is 4 cm. The length of a rectangle is 8 cm and its width is 2 cm. Find the perimeter and area of both the figures. Here side is given and length and width also given. Then you find out here perimeter and area both the figures. You firstly find out here this side is given 4 cm. Then here find out this perimeter of square and area of a square. Perimeter of square is equal to formula 4 into side. Then 4 into 4 means 16 cm. Area of square. Area of square. Formula side into side. 4 into 4. Then 4 4 is 16 cm square. Then in this question L and B also given. Then you find out this perimeter of rectangle and area of rectangle. L is here 8 cm and B 2 cm. Then firstly you find out here perimeter of rectangle. Two into in bracket L plus B. Then 2 into in bracket L plus 2 10 means 2 into 10 is equal to 20 cm. This perimeter of this rectangle is 20 cm. Then you find out here this area of rectangle. Formula L into B. Then 8 into 2. 8 2 is 16 cm square. Area of this rectangle is equal to 16 square centimeter. Then fourth one question, see. What will be the labor cost of this laying the floor of an assembly hall that is 16 meter long and 12 meter wide if the cost of laying 1 square meter is 80 rupees? Here length is given 60 meter, width is given 12 meter. Then firstly you find out here this area of rectangle. L into B 16 into 12 192 centimeter square meter square. Then this cost of laying 1 square meter is equal to 80 rupees. Then 192 into 80 is equal to, means 192 meter square is equal to 80 rupees. Then 192 into 80, answer is here rupees 15,360. 15,360 means the cost of laying is here 15,360. Then fifth one, see the figure given shows some squares. Find out how many squares with the same measures fill it empty spaces in the figure. Here half figure is given, then you complete these squares. Then how many squares you see this here length and width you see is here 4 and here 3, means 4 into 3 12 square meters. Then next one also, divide the given figure into 4 parts in such way that the area and shape of the part is the same. Color the parts. Here only you give color for 4 parts, color give these different colors. Then in homework you complete this fifth one and sixth one question. Here problem set 50, this completed. In homework you solve this problem set 50. Then this 12th one chapter completed. Here perimeter and area. Only you remember this formula of this perimeter of this square, perimeter of this rectangle, area of this square and area of this rectangle. Then tomorrow we will study this next one chapter, 31st one. Okay, bye.